in front of you is the Simba fighting vehicle. The Simba fighting vehicle is the latest type of vehicle that the Philippine Army had so far acquired. It is a high-performance, versatile, and cost-effective new armored fighting vehicle for demanding operations where reliability and high protections are essential. Simba allows a weapon system of up to 90mm cannon to be safely mounted adjacent to its turret. This extended from a basic APC fitted with 7.62mm or Bossmaster cannon. The variant selected for deployment by light armor divisions is the infantry vehicle equipped with caliber 50 quick change barrel. In the short one, we will present to you the organizations, the Mechanized Infantry Squad. Mechanized infantry combines the protections and firepower advantage of the armor and the agility and flexibility of the infantry. The Mechanized Infantry Squad is divided into two teams, the career team and the dismount team. The career team is composed of 3 and the R. The commander, he is responsible for the movement of the combat vehicle in coordination with the instructions of the unit commander. The driver, he is responsible for the movement of combat vehicle. He will move to the combat vehicle in good firing positions in case of enemy contact. The gunner, he is responsible for the maintenance of armaments mounted in the combat vehicle. He will hit the target in case of enemy contact. And the dismount team is a 7-man team on the R. The squad leader acts as the team leader of the dismount team and is also responsible for what the unit does or fails to do. He is armed with M16 assault rifle.
Rifleman sniper.
The rifleman sniper acts as the rifleman of the squad. He is capable of detecting anti-armor weapons. He is with 410 assault rifle and equipped with sniper scope and a binocular.
Automatic rifleman.
The automatic rifleman delivers a suppressive fire on the enemy when the squad maneuvers. He is armed with M60 general purpose machine gun.
Assistant squad leader.
The assistant squad leader acts as the Bravo fire team leader and is the second in command of the squad. He is armed with M4 firefighting rifle. The anti-armor specialist is responsible for the security of the vehicle against anti-armor tank weapons. He is armed with M16 rifle and equipped with light anti-tank weapons and a mine detector.
Rifleman.
The rifleman is responsible for providing flank and rear security of the maneuver team. He is armed with M16 assault rifle. The grenadier is responsible for providing initial cover fire during the dismounting of the maneuver team. He is armed with M16 rifle with M203 attached. The dismount team is further subdivided into two groups. The Alpha team commanded by the squad leader.
Alpha team.
And the Bravo team commanded by the assistant squad leader.
Bravo team.
Standing before you are the members of the Mechanized Infantry Squad. In a short while, we shall be presenting how the Mechanized Infantry moves tactically towards their objective. The squad leader first accounts for his men by ordering them to sound off.
Sound off. Balance. Balance. Rifleman sniper. Automatic rifleman. Assistant squad leader. Air Force veteran. Rifleman. Drill leader.
The squad leader then orders the crew to prepare the vehicle as he inspects the maneuver team for completeness of armament and equipment.
Crew. Prepare the vehicle.
The squad leader then instructs the mechanized to prepare to move, then shouts move.
Prepare to move.
There are two types of movement of mechanized units, the dismounted movement and the mounted movement. Dismounted movements are done in contact with the enemy. You can see here the vehicle is protected on the both flanks by the maneuver team. The Alpha team to the left and the Bravo team to the right. As soon as the squad leader orders a halt, the dismounted team selects a tactical position to best protect the vehicle. The next type of movement is the mounted team movement. juncture, we will also be presenting the mounting and dismounting procedures by a mechanized infantry squad. Mounted movement are done when contact with the enemy is not imminent and speed is necessary. The squad leader instructs the squad to prepare to mount. And finally mount the beacon and take up the assigned route inside. At this point, we will demonstrate how the mechanized infantry squads react to an enemy contact while mounted. As soon as we receive enemy fire, the gunner shouts contact front. The squad leader shouts dismount. The maneuver team exits the beacon as fast as possible, forming a line to the rear of the beacon, with the beacon in the middle. Take note, if the dismount of the maneuver team from onto the beacon, the squad is intent to cut. It is so to limit the exposure of the dismount team from enemy rifle fire as they dismount the beacon. As soon as it is clear, the squad leader will instruct the maneuver to mount. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just witnessed our mechanized infantry squad's demonstration. Before we end this presentation, allow me to be concise and share with you the motto of the Light Armored Division. When we are needed, we will be there and will do the job the best way we can. On behalf of the officers and men of the 1st Mechanized Infantry Battalion, Light Armored Division, Philippine Army, thank you and mabuhay.